Hi guys, come on in. Today's video has a little bit of an emotional ending, so there's a trigger warning. 2, 1.
Hello, we're at Snell's. We're eating. Goodbye.
That's not where we are, you ding dong.
No, we're at, what the hell are we?
Corinos?
Marino's boiling part.
What are we eating?
Crawfish.
Oh, once they get here anyway.
Yeah.
And Sam is in the chair next to Chris. He can't have crawfish.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Emerald Sea Heart here. We are having the first thing I wanted when I got back, crawfish. We're at Marino's Ball and Pot. So I'll show you what crawfish look like. Not like, you know, you haven't ever seen one. And it's C-R-A-W-F-I-S-H, not cray, C-R-A-Y. Ooh, c'est bon. Ooh, it's what's for lunch, y'all. Crawfish. 3 pounds for about $12, plus the corn and the potatoes.
Hello, my name's Charlie. Chris is like to eat meat.
How you feel that?
Oh, you're a tough one. Thank you, Charlie, huh? But Charlie, Chris is going to eat you.
So, is it good?
Oh, yeah.
You want to suck your head?
This is my dad's gravesite, and his name is pronounced Eno, 1 spelled backwards.
This is my mother's stepmother. We call it her Bobby. Sorry, Grandpa. I don't mean to stand on you. And this is my grandfather, my mother's father's spot. This is the Asian section of the cemetery. It is always beautiful with flowers. Always. This is Chris's grandma, grandpa, dad, and mother. Barbara doesn't have a scroll yet. Okay, we're headed to my mom's. We just left the cemetery. Chris is gonna get out. He's gonna go knock on the door if she's home and see if she wants to speak to me. And I'm gonna film from the car. He's gonna roll the window down, or I'm gonna roll the window down. And if nothing else, I want Chris to tell her that her grandson would like to talk to her, if nothing else. So let's see what happens. So, my grandparents used to own the house my dad bought from them in the late 80s. So, you say it's hot, Sam? You want a hot dog? The action digger's on. I have to tell you the story about the action digger one day. Go around and come back up so that I'm on the...
I will.
Okay, so now we're rolling it down.
Yeah, that's the game plan.
Alright. Don't pull up in the driveway. Pull up by the mailbox.
I know.
That's the street right there. We're going to go around the block.
Yep, car's there.
Okay. There goes my stomach.
Okay. I was going to get over it.
Right?
You go to show the old house?
Yeah.
Could not contain for nothing.
Yeah. We used to live in the house straight in front of us.
Right.
Right here, this one with the white on it. That's where we used to live.
Yeah.
And my mom, the house that my mom lives in is 7 or 8 houses away. This old man was an asshole.
Okay. Here we go. All right.
I'm not getting out.
No, you don't need to get out.
Alright, pull up a little bit.
All right.
Get out the mailbox.
Door's closed.
She must have the air conditioner on.
Okay.
Roll the window down. Roll the window down. Turn the air conditioner off. I'm gonna preface the following clip with this statement. My mother is bipolar schizophrenic. I haven't seen her or spoken to her since June of 2013. And lots of other things have happened to her in this time frame.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, stay with you.
I'm terrified, y'all. Oh, I hear her dog. And you hear Pepe?
Your dad also know. Your dad, your grandson will say you want to come see him. Okay. That means no. That meant no.
Yeah, don't look at my hair. Alright guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. See you in the next video.
Alright guys, y'all know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell so you know, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!